In today's review, we're diving into the wireless CarPlay with 4K dash cam and 9-inch portable CarPlay screen, an all-in-one upgrade for your car's tech setup. This device combines wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with a 4K front dash cam and a 1080p rear camera for a comprehensive view on the road. You can keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road, thanks to its voice control feature, which lets you chat with Siri or Google Assistant for navigation, calls, and messages. And the large 9-inch screen. It provides excellent visibility without obstructing your view. The dual camera recording feature is a huge plus. With a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera, this device records high-quality footage of your journey, giving you added security and peace of mind. It also comes with a 64GB TF card, ensuring you don't run out of storage on the road. Many users have praised its plug-and-play design, which makes installation quick and hassle-free. Just attach it to your dash or windshield, plug it into the cigarette lighter socket, and you're ready to go. One potential downside some users mention is the setup process for phone mirroring. It might take a moment to connect, especially if you're new to CarPlay or Android Auto. However, once connected, the device offers smooth syncing and seamless operation. Compared to other high-end car tech setups, this model provides excellent value, combining the functions of several devices into one compact and affordable package. For those who want a modern, fully integrated car experience without the hassle of complex installations, this wireless CarPlay with dash cam is worth checking out. Discover the detailed features by clicking on the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and visit our affiliate link for user reviews and an exclusive guarantee with fast delivery.